Alright, I'm going to get back on this Ryker. People are always asking, what RPM at what speed? And I'm going to show you. Because first of all, the Ryker has a CVT transmission. It doesn't shift gears, it's continuously variable. And that's what CVT means. We're going to get on here, listen to some Motley Crue like we always do. It's either Motley Crue, Van Halen, or AC/DC. That's what we're always listening to. Because that's what motivates us. So check it out. We're only going 21 miles per hour and 3,000 RPM. But what I really want to do is I want to get on the highway and see what it's doing up there all the way to maybe about 80 miles per hour. It's in eco mode also. So okay, right now we're doing 40 miles an hour at 4,100 RPM. I'm gonna go up here and stop in the middle of town and put gas in it. I need to fill it up for my next trip. 305, Joe, not good enough. There's 39 miles per hour at 4,000 RPM. It's 40 at 4,100 RPM. I smell barbecue. Smell charcoal grilling. Slide on over here in the right lane because gas station's coming up. Low fuel light came on. I will go up into this gas station. .73 gallons, and that's it. Let's get it to 35. Come on, man. 35 and 3,700 RPM. Let's take it to 40. 40 and 4,000 RPM. Okay, so that gives you an idea, and we're running in eco mode. We're going to get up here on the highway, and we're going to take a look at speed and RPM the whole way, up to about 75. So I'm going to go out on the highway, and I'm going to do it in eco mode, and I'm going to put it in sport mode on the way back and see if there's any difference in RPM in sport mode compared to eco mode. I don't think there will be, but I don't know. I can't imagine that there will be much difference between the two. Okay, I'm going to do something here. I'm going to pull over here, and I'm going to stop at 0, and then we're going to look at the RPM all the way up and see what it's like. Okay, so that was all the way up to 80 miles per hour. And I'm going to get off up here and go around and go back the other way in sport mode. There's 85 miles per hour at 7,000 RPM. I'm going to pull over up here and put it in to sport mode because I forget how. Pull over right here. Let me get this sucker in sport mode. Eco off. Okay, sport mode. It's idling at 850 RPM. Seems like I'm not going to be able to get it up to 80. Maybe I will. Okay, we did it. Got it up to 80. I'm going to take it out of sport mode. Put it back in eco mode. Sun's in my eyes. Put the visor down a little.
And there we have it. That was a good representation of RPM at different speeds on the Can Am Ryker. Hope you enjoyed it. Throw a like on the video and subscribe to the channel.